Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best stick welder. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 stick welders, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Welder Stick Welder. Portability is important for welders who frequently move around on the job or work on multiple sites. Though most welding machines aren't too heavy, lightening the load makes a difference. This small arc welder from Welder with dual voltage input and DC stick welder function weighs 13.5 pounds and has a handle, making it easy to carry. This welder has quite a few safety features, including protection from overcurrents and fluctuations in voltage. I have been welding for almost 50 years, and for the last 10 or so have used MIG and TIG primarily, wrote a reviewer. There are times when I need an arc welder for certain jobs due to the need for speed and versatility. I am more than impressed with this unit, although my use of it has been limited to lower amperage applications in my shop on March 16 and under cold rolled steel, tubing, plate, etc. Number 2. Thulium 135A 110 volt/220 volt stick welder. The built-in anti-stick and arc force on Thulium stick welders means your electrodes won't be lagging along or getting stuck in the puddle. This DC stick welder also makes for a cleaner bead and less slag and spatter to deal with. It's 16 pounds, which isn't the lightest of the lot, but some customers mentioned it's much easier to port around than larger behemoths. It can be used for professional purposes, but many new welders and hobby welders gravitate towards this model specifically. I plugged it right into the 110V wall outlet in my shop, grabbed a 6011 stick, and was welding in no time, wrote one reviewer about using this DC welding unit. This thing has given me zero complaints, and I'm thrilled to have a good SMAU setup for such an affordable price. Built-in excellent anti-stick, arc force, hot start, and other functions, easy to operate, safe, and convenient for beginners. Number 3. S7 TIG Welder. Combination stick welders are great for those who switch between jobs that call for different methods of welding. This model from S7 comes with several handy tools for TIG and stick welding, including a TIG torch, electrode holder and ground clamp, and a transfer plug. It can meld metals such as copper, alloy steel, carbon steel, and stainless steel. It's a great option, too, for anyone who's looking at how to train on either or both a TIG welding and stick welding machine. Great little welder, one review reads. Works as an arc welder right out of the box. Produces good weld lines and is easily adjustable. Energy efficient, automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, over voltage protection, under voltage protection, overcurrent protection, and overload protection. Saves energy and reduces costs. A portable handle makes it easier to operate, and the lightweight design makes it more convenient to carry. Perfect for on-the-go welding projects. Number 4. MIG 155 GSV Inverter ARC Welder. For MIG and stick welding capabilities, WeldPro's dual voltage machine is an option worth looking into. It's capable, too, of flux core welding if a project calls for it. The inverter welder runs smoothly at both 110 and 220 volts, and it features a high duty cycle and automatic speed feeder to help get reels of wire through more quickly and efficiently. While it's not the fanciest or most expensive model out there, it can do a lot, has inverter technology, and is backed by a 3-year warranty. A retired welding instructor called it one of the best welders for the money. Others appreciate its tenacity, easy setup, and cost. I compared it to the 3 top brands and have to say it works just as well and is a bit less expensive, wrote a customer. It may have a couple fewer features like digital controls etc., but functionality, same weld results. Number 5. Forney Easy Weld. This inverter welder machine from Forney is perfect for beginners or buyers unfamiliar with arc welding, although many experienced welders have found use in it too. Don't let the compact, portable size of the Forney Easy Weld fool you. It's a quality stick welder, making it equally as great for seasoned welders who just need a lightweight arc welder to carry with them. Inverter welders such as this one are efficient and will still give the user plenty of power, whether grill repairs are in order or fence making. Very good welder for the price, wrote one reviewer, who added that it has a surprisingly smooth arc. This welding machine can also be converted to a TIG welder, but adapters and the TIG torch must be purchased separately. I bought this stick welder 3 years ago and it's still running strong, began one reviewer. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.